So we've been home for a few days now. The trailer is unpacked and time to start fixing things. So Dad has to get this wing fixed because a piece of the injector came off and went into the wing. And he has to fix the valve covers and the blocks. But everything's up here. The funny car's not in the air yet because we've got to get the body off somehow. Everything's home. So the initial title for my last video was We're Done, and that came off as We're Done Racing, not We're Done with the Western Swing as it was supposed to be. And I used that title as a clickbaity and attention-grabbing title to get attention and views on the video, and that was misleading and dishonest and not the right thing to do. It gave a bunch of people the idea that we are done racing, which we are not. Dad is not done racing. I doubt Dad will ever be done racing, and I'm sorry for doing that. That was not the right thing to do. It was misleading and dishonest, and it might create problems with a bunch of people thinking that we're done racing, whether they be sponsors or people who hope Dad out or whoever it might be. That was a mistake on my part, and I am sorry for that. We're most likely going to be back for Indy as soon as Dad gets everything fixed. The blowers and the wing just got sent off to be fixed today, and Dad's working on getting everything fixed, and he will have it fixed. He's very good at figuring it out and getting everything fixed. So, we will be back. Dad's not done racing, and I am sorry for misleading people. That was not the right thing to do.